Welcome back to the real crypto space. I'm your co-host Louis, and today's video is on TREASUREKEY.BET. And this is like a part two to the other video on Auto Shark Finance. So make sure you watch that video before you watch this one.
Yeah, welcome back to Real Crypto Space, and this is not financial advice. We'll be giving you our opinion and what we think of the project and where we think it could potentially go and why there is a lot of attraction to it right now.
So yeah, this was the last video we did, which was posted yesterday. So make sure you watch that one first, as we're not going to be repeating the same things we did yesterday in this video. And as we said, it's literally a part two. So yeah, yesterday's video was Auto Shark Finance, and today's video is on the TREASUREKEY.BET, which they say they're just a partner of each other, but they don't. We think they're very similar. They might be owned by the same person. But yeah, let's get straight into the video.
Okay, so as we can see here, the market cap for this is around $537,630, which is still a large amount. However, as you can see here, the price gets affected very, very easily. This is just a 15-minute time frame. So as you can see, it did drop from 0.125 all the way down to 0.07 as of right now. So, it's kind of being affected and it is getting very manipulated very easily. So for all the people that, want to be taking a risk and want to get involved with this very, very volatile stuff. And if you thought Bitcoin was volatile, then just look at this stuff. You're seeing price movements within a day of half and it goes up by half. It's crazy. So if you want to get involved in this kind of stuff at your own risk, as you know, this is not financial advice. We're just telling you what to expect and what to actually potentially see happen. But yeah, this total supply is exactly 17 million. So they're not going to be making any more. And we're just going to be talking about what you need to do to buy it and how to actually buy it today.
So as you can see, this is literally just a gambling website. You have all your games here. We're not going to be talking about the games. It's self-explanatory, and we're not really a gambling channel. This is just kind of like a two-part series of like, I guess, scam coins in a way. Um, so you'd buy it here on the wallet on the Vault Swap. Um, so it can be done with MetaMask, of course, the True Wallet, and Wallet Connect.
As we said previously, I would always recommend getting a different wallet than your main wallet since many previous projects are rug pulls and they can still access your wallet and take your money. So that's something you need to be careful of. So yeah, these companies are very, very risky. So just hope for the best and make sure that you don't, put everything into this. And yeah, but other than that, this is a similar layout to many different exchanges, similar to Uniswap and pancakeswap. You can exchange from BNB to the Pirate token, which is the main token for this project. And it basically allows you to, buy the coin and actually stake it, which we are going to be going through. However, we've gone through that in the previous video, and this video is going to be like what there is on the site for part two.
So yeah, exactly as Hamza said, the fact it's a gambling site, you shouldn't be putting all your money into it. It's literally a hope the best. It's gamble. It's got bet in the link. Like it's not something you put your money into. It's something you should expect to lose money on. And if you turn out in a profit, then you should be happy with that. It should definitely not be classed as an investment either, because it could just be a rug pull at the end of the day. As we said in the previous video, just because something's partnered with Chainlink Security, like Bunny was after they got the flash node attack, they said, "Oh, we're partnered with Chainlink Security now," and then they go and get hacked again. It's just a copy paste. You never know with these things.
As you can see on the website, it shows you the number of wins, the players, and how much they've paid out, basically how much money they've made, and it also shows you the all-time. Number one is 1,242 wins, and yeah, 850,000 pirate coins, and the pirate coins is 0.07 dollars as of right now. However, yeah, you do get paid in pirate coins, and in order to buy the coin for pirate, you need BNB, which we've shown you at the beginning of the video, where the BNB vault, which you can exchange BNB for pirate. You can do the same thing. You can exchange pirate for BNB, and then withdraw that to your desired exchange. And
Yeah.
as you can see, you can make a bet of 10 to 1,500 pirates, which is yeah. So the lowest you can do is 10 pirates, which is around 70 cents. equivalent to around 50 pence ish if you're from the UK, and that's the lowest you can bet. But personally, this is not for me. This is not something that I would do. But our audience is a big audience, and we're not really sure what you guys may want to be getting into yourself. You may want to be, feel risky. You're feeling lucky. You may want to place a bet or something. You know what I mean? So it's just something that you can try out if you want. You can connect your wallet and just try it out for yourself. But yeah, this is not personally for me. But if it's not for me, it might be for you guys. And as you know, this is not financial advice. And another thing they also do is stake, which we've gone through, so you can stake it for high APY. And this was at the previous video, which we've spoken about. And yeah, you can stake it for an 80% APY, which is still good. I think compared to the 1,700% which they were talking about. So yeah, this is just like a brief part 2 video of what they have on the website for the gambling site.
So this is now the end of the video. I hope you have enjoyed it. And if you want anything more like this to review, I guess some dodgy coins like this, then just list them down below, whatever you want us to do a video on, and we'll have a look into it. And yeah, thank you. Have a lovely rest of your day, and yeah.